Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to remove time sensitive from Snapchat. If you are tired of these priority alerts popping up at inconvenient time, this guide will help you disable them easily. So let's dive into our video. Let us begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. In order to remove time sensitivity, you don't have to open your Snapchat application. Instead, go to the settings of your iPhone. Open your settings. Now search for the Snapchat application. Click and open your Snapchat. Here in this interface, you have to search for notification. Tap on it. Now you can see the option of time sensitivity notification. Just simply tap on the button and turn it off. Now you have successfully removed the time sensitivity from Snapchat.
If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.